Exercise 1.2. This is a sheet about marks. We see that here we have the names of students, and here we have the grades of each trimester for each student. And now what we need to calculate is their final marks. And the final marks, according to the instruction on the syllabus, should be the average of the 3 grades a student receives. But instead of using the function average or using the combination of functions of sum and count, we will use a very basic formula. So if you cannot understand what an average function is, sum function is, or count function is at this stage, do not worry. We will teach you later. But for now, we go ahead and do exactly what the instruction says. So here, B2 plus C2 plus D2, we have the total of all 3 grades, but we also need to average them up. So in this case, we need to divide by 3 because in total there are 3 grades. That's why this is the answer. So we are calculated 6.40. Very important to show one more decimal, because if you have, for example, 5.45, that will still be a fail, but that could be showing as 5.5 if you only show one decimal. And here, when you move your mouse to this place, you will see a small handle. It's called a fill handle. If you click in and drag it down, it will calculate all the other grades for you. And you will see that D2, C2, and B2 will change to B3, C3, and D3 as you move it downwards. So it's relative reference. When you do not say, okay, I want this one to be fixed, then it will just follow the pattern of wherever you move it. Let's compare with the answer. Oh, the answer shows that we should have one less decimal, which is fine. So even though I said probably one more decimal is better for you to see who passed and who failed, but if it's the syllabus instruction, we will follow. So we go ahead and decrease the decimal by press this button. Here we go. This is exercise 1.2. I will see you in the next video.